Let's face it, gyms aren't for everyone. The blaring music, the crowded spaces, the pressure to perform, it can all be a bit much, and that's perfectly fine. Your fitness journey should be enjoyable and sustainable, not a source of stress. Maybe the gym is too far, a real-time commitment that eats into your day, or maybe it's too expensive, those monthly membership fees adding up faster than you realize, or just intimidating. Walking into a room full of sculpted bodies can be daunting, especially when you're just starting out. Life gets busy with work, family, and everything in between demanding your attention, and squeezing in a workout can feel impossible, another chore on an already overflowing to-do list. But you don't need a fancy membership or a dedicated workout space to get fit and healthy. Your living room can be your gym, a convenient and comfortable space where you can move your body without any added pressure. That's why I love the Ultimate Home Workout Plan. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to prioritize fitness without the hassle of a gym. This book makes fitness simple and accessible. It breaks down complex exercises into easy-to-follow routines. No equipment, meaning you don't have to invest in expensive machines or weights. No excuses. It removes all the common barriers to exercise, making it easier than ever to get started. All you need is a bit of space, even a small corner of your apartment will do, and a few spare minutes. The workouts are designed to be efficient so you can get a great workout in a short amount of time. The plan fits into your life, seamlessly integrating into your daily routine, not the other way around. You don't have to rearrange your entire schedule to make time for fitness. You can work out before the kids wake up, getting your exercise in before the chaos of the day begins. During lunch, squeezing in a quick workout to break up the workday and boost your energy. Or while dinner cooks, multitasking your way to a healthier lifestyle. It's designed for real people with real lives, understanding the challenges of balancing fitness with everyday responsibilities. No more, "I don't have time," because this plan shows you how to find the time, even when you think you don't have any, or, "I don't have the gear." This plan utilizes body weight exercises so you can get a full body workout without any equipment. Fitness should be for everyone, regardless of their budget, schedule, or fitness level. And this plan proves it, offering a practical and accessible approach to fitness for all. You already have everything you need to start living a healthier and more active life, right in the comfort of your own home. The Ultimate Home Workout Plan welcomes everyone with open arms. It's designed to be inclusive and accessible regardless of your current physical condition, no matter your fitness level. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or are already quite active, this plan has something to offer. It's divided into beginner, offering a gentle introduction to exercise, intermediate for those looking to step up their routine, and advanced sections, designed to push your limits and achieve peak performance. Start where you're comfortable, listening to your body and respecting its limits, and progress at your own pace. There's no rush, and consistency is key to long-term success. The beginner section focuses on simple moves, easy to learn and execute, and building confidence, empowering you to take control of your health and well-being. Clear instructions, ensuring you perform each exercise correctly and safely. And photos make it easy to follow, even if you're completely new to working out. As you get stronger and your endurance improves, move to the intermediate, where you'll encounter more challenging exercises. And advanced workouts, pushing your physical capabilities to the next level. Each level challenges you just enough, providing a stimulating and rewarding experience to keep you motivated and engaged in your fitness journey. You don't need heavy weights or expensive gym equipment, just your body and determination. That's all you need to unlock your full potential. The plan grows with you, adapting to your changing needs and abilities, so you'll never outgrow it. It's a sustainable approach to fitness that you can maintain for years to come. Whether you're new or experienced, young or old, there's always a next step, a new challenge to conquer. It's a lifelong fitness companion, guiding you every step of the way. Real results, tangible improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall health. Real progress, a journey of continuous improvement and self-discovery. All at home, convenient, accessible, and tailored to your needs. No pressure, no judgment, just a supportive environment to help you thrive. Just progress. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. This isn't just a collection of random exercises thrown together. It's more than just a list. It's a carefully crafted guide, designed to help you build real, lasting habits that will transform your life. With our weekly training plans, we take the guesswork out of your routine, providing structure and clarity. Just open the book, easily find the day's workout, and go. No more endless scrolling or confusing routines. Clear instructions and photos for each exercise ensure you're doing each move safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of injury. And because we know everyone starts somewhere, modifications are included for every fitness level, from beginner to advanced. Motivational tips help you set realistic goals and celebrate even the smallest wins along the way, keeping you motivated and engaged. The book teaches you to listen to your body, understanding its signals and limits, and avoid burnout by recognizing the signs of overtraining. It's about balance, not perfection, understanding that life happens and adjustments are necessary. You'll learn the importance of rest and recovery, proper nutrition, and the power of consistency in achieving your fitness goals. The focus is on building habits that last a lifetime, not quick fixes or unsustainable diets. It's like having a knowledgeable and supportive coach in your corner, guiding you every step of the way. Stay motivated, stay safe during your workouts, and keep moving forward one step at a time. This is your comprehensive blueprint for building a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling you. I used this plan to get back on track when life got busy. The clear structure made it easy to stay consistent. Even on tough days, a simple 20-minute workout felt doable. Each session left me feeling accomplished and energized. Progressing through the levels kept me motivated. I saw real changes in my strength and energy. The book helped me rebuild my fitness habit one day at a time. It's perfect for anyone wanting to start or restart their fitness journey. No gym, no stress, just real results at home. This plan is simple, effective, and genuinely motivating. It's become my go-to fitness companion. Give it a try. You won't regret it. Let's get started together.